Good evening UAE, happy UAE Flag Day 3rd of November. So I'm Priya Mahesh with you for Let's Sell Successfully. So today this is UAE Flag Day, and all my gratitude to the rulers of all the 7 Emirates, to the rulers of UAE, to all the frontliners who have been saving us during this pandemic, the country and its people who have been so kind to all the expatriates, and they treat, care and share just like their own family members. So this is my gratitude as a freelance consultant and soft skills trainer in UAE. And today I am going to start a short snap of my career where I started. So from there I am going to take you on to the second set of attitudes in the power of now. So November Let's Sell Successfully is celebrating the power of now. How to accomplish the power of now? It's selling on corporate training platforms. So I started my career in the UAE with Citibank in the year 2007, and from there I worked for Citi around 2006 plus, I believe. I started training and then I moved to sales. I became the manager there, and in 2010 I left Citi and I started my own freelancing career from Sharjah. So I've been consulting for quite a few companies. I started with a polyclinic in Sharjah. Then I started with a retail chain supermarkets in UAE and GCC, and then I started with diamond jewelry in the UAE based in India. So a lot of companies, short companies, multinational banks, local banks, nationalized banks, I have been training as a freelancer. It's also an individual one-to-one training and also as a group. So gratitude to all of them who have been a tiny part in my journey. Okay, so today, happy UAE National Flag Day 3rd of November. So this is particularly short, the intro is short, as a gratitude to the rulers and all the frontliners and the people of UAE who are very kind enough, and to the company of my husband, so the government company. So everywhere we are very happy, and small hindrances will come that we have to cheerfully move on. So as always I tell, be positive, test negative during this pandemic, stay safe, stay home, and believe that is how the hierarchy goes. Thank you so much for being with me, to all the managers and their teams throughout my journey of consulting, sales, product marketing, okay, and also training, soft skills training. So this is a short intro about me, and I have a journey to go and move on. So hope to continue my journey in the UAE, okay. So that is a great decision from the divine. And let me start with the attitudes today. I am not going to use the board, I am going to use the strategies myself. So we started with our gratitude to the people of UAE on the UAE Flag Day, which is 3rd of November. And again I am Priya with you for Let's Sell Successfully, no need to repeat that. And so as you have seen a short intro about me, I started my career with Citi, followed by my freelancing career for the past 10 plus years in the GCC. Fine. So freelance means soft skills and consulting, both I do side by side, and I love to train managers and their team, or I train managers separately also. So we have been seeing on the power of now is November. Power of now means what? Doing japa? No. That is at corporate platforms. How do we just disclose a deal or something like that? So what we saw in the intro is, you are not judged by the number of times you fail, but we are judged by the number of times we succeed, and also the number of times we try upon consistent failures. Okay, so you get up, you fall, you get up, you fall. So how many times you get up from the fall decides your consistency, especially regarding sales and marketing. Fine. That was our last scene strategy. And what we saw is emotional strategies, that is being casual, relaxed and alert and brisk, business-like and pleasant. And I have been telling you lots of clues also in achieving that, and intense, candid and personal for the large number of people and the company profile. So these are all emotional focus. Now we are going to look at the content, which is purely technical. Okay, so I don't want to use the board today. Instead, I will give it as slides or clues, or I'll go for another video tomorrow or day after on the detailed set, clubbing both the emotional and the technical attitudes together for achieving the power of now. So what is it? This treatments put heavy emphasis on the technological innovations of your product. So explore the tax aspects and cost effectiveness and apply them. And it is also appealing to the emotional friends in very business-like terms. It is very simple. Technological innovations means if a product fails, do not worry or do not go and blast the manager and the team in charge. Instead, blast the manufacturing design. Why your product is a total failure, what made the product a total failure, and come to a conclusion. Either the product has to be superficially redefined, reconstructed, or the entire product has to be reinvented as a fresh product into the market, for which you have to change from the base design till the advertising design, till the product reaches the market, till all your ways of industrial exposures you need to change. Then this is the start of the technical point. The second one is a moderately technical approach that was strong appeals to emotions made in standard English. Then get level, a straight appeal in down to earth language. These are all technical. I am not judged same by the number of times I fail, but how do I succeed in my failures? And there is one more. So to achieve the power of now in attitudes, technically, where do I start? Okay, I think I have to use the board, but anyway, let me try. Okay, so where do I start? So let me push off this for you. Okay, and let us start concentrating on the now with positive attitudes, right? Fine, get along with power of now, okay, with technical attitudes. We saw energy is the basis of accomplishment, and few more on the power of now. So we are aiming with the managers. So we are going to go for the advice to the future managers, what we are going to do. Right. So we are going to start with think with the managers. Okay, I don't call this as an advice. I don't love to title this as an advice as a manager myself, starting a career with Oman. So my sales career with the product started in Oman. I was a people's person, as I told. So I learned the art of communication with products and markets from all my sales managers and my product marketing managers, and of course head of sales, etc., etc. So I would say code of professional conduct with managers. Okay, this term will lay straight, because I am nothing before top managers on field. Still I have more to achieve. If I train a manager, that does not mean that I know everything. As I told, I love to learn from a 1-year-old kid to a 100-year-old gentleman. Fine. So now we are into technical attitudes. Let me move back. Okay. So we are going to see about managers, right? Today is National Day, UAE Flag Day. Think of communication. Okay. So we are going to think of communication more at selecting your managers. What we are seeing today? We are seeing the power of now at technical attitudes. Yesterday we saw emotional attitudes. So communication, a manager who is a good communicator means what? Who is going to speak drama dialogues on field? No. He should be a powerful communicator with people. Okay. He should be a powerful communicator with products. Most importantly, all the product marketing managers who are listening, he should be a smart communicator with markets. Okay. Then our villain comes. He should be an extra smart, intelligent communicator in pricing the products. As we are dealing with product marketing now, we are also touching the sales pipeline, but mainly we are into product marketing. So this is a common tenure for any manager who is addressing our field, including sales, marketing, client relationship, customer relations, whatever it is. So the art of communication you are setting, the manager in charge of your communication should be smart at communication with people, communication with products, communications with markets. Very importantly, he should be a very good communicator with pricing. That is pricing strategies. Okay. He should be a smart communicator. Okay. With pricing strategies. Very, very important and pivotal clue. Okay. This is the power of now at attitudes. Okay. This is accomplishing the power of now at attitudes. Attitudes, what type of attitudes? Emotional we completed yesterday. This is technical. Okay. We are dealing with short-term strategies. Towards extended benefits or extended journey into sales. Okay. Right. Fine. So you should be a smart communicator with pricing strategies, and the power of now at attitudes technical, not emotional. Fine. Then very important technical point is we are now dealing with attitudes, technical, for what? Achieving the power of now corporate platforms. Right? For that, the second technical clue is be alert. Okay? At all the communication platforms. Why do we need to say this all? Why do I coin alert at all friends? What made me to write this? At all the communication platforms, because today is a digital marketing world. We are into the digital era. So your communication should touch, right, start from your sales call, all your emails, your social media channels, and also the direct selling process. Right? So any manager who is a killer smarty in communication with digital, with people, I mean right from the sales call, emails, social media channels, direct selling products. This is for sales managers on field. What about your product marketing managers? That is another drama, because they are the parent route which passes the product information to the sales chain. So a product marketing manager should be very smart communicator with design, features, pricing and advertising of the product. Okay, into the market. Fine. Once the product is reaching the market, the product marketing managers leave the scene. Okay, this is where the sales pipeline is entering on field. That's why I'm very proud as a manager having a sales career for 22 plus years. Even though I train, I do sell because I'm making them sell. It is an indirect way of me directly on field to making multiple people directly sell on field. So any trainer should be have a very good knowledge in both product marketing, training, consulting and selling. So now I have so much to learn. I never say that I will be replaced by so many managers who trained me. Still I have lot to learn, so much to learn from all my managers. So what are the attitudes required with the product marketing manager? The positive attitude is he should be a very good communicator with design, features, pricing, advertising of the product into the market. So once the advertisement reaches the market, the product marketing team is leaving the field, duly taken over by the retail sales managers, banking sales managers, whatever sales managers you coin, right? So today is enough, and once again happy UAE Flag Day. Okay, this is Priya Mahesh signing off for Let's Sell Successfully. So this is Priya Mahesh with you, signing off for Let's Sell Successfully with Attitudes Technical in the Power of Now November. Today is 3rd of November. Happy UAE National Flag Day. Happy UAE Flag Day with a tremendous gratitude. Thank you so much.